वेलकम टू आवर चैनल यूनाइटेड कोचिंग। आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे 25 क्वेश्चंस ऑन जनरल नॉलेज। Our first question is, how many countries, areas or territories of the world are suffering from novel coronavirus outbreak? So answer is, according to WHO, by June 2020, around 216 countries, areas and territories are suffering from novel coronavirus or COVID-19 outbreak. Our next question is, which vaccine is jointly developed by the German company BioNTech and US pharma giant Pfizer for COVID-19? So answer is BNT 162. Now you have to remember BNT 162. So it is a group of 4 potential vaccines based on messenger RNA or mRNA function. Our next question is, which is India's first indigenous COVID-19 vaccine? So answer is Covaxin. Our next question is, which companies have developed Covaxin? So answer is, Covaxin is developed by Hyderabad-based Bharat Biotech in collaboration with ICMR and NIV. Recently in June 2020, CDSCO, that is the Central Drug Standard Control Organization, which is part of Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, has granted permission to initiate phase 1 and phase 2 human clinical trials of Covaxin. Our next question is, which drug is launched by Cipla to be used for treatment of COVID-19 infection? So answer is, in June 2020, Cipla Limited has announced the launch of its generic version of antiviral drug, that is Remdesivir, for emergency use only in the treatment of COVID-19 patients. Our next question is, which state has planned to launch India's first plasma bank for COVID-19? So answer is New Delhi. Our next question is, what is Vande Bharat mission? So answer is, Indian government launched Vande Bharat mission in April to repatriate or bring back Indians who had been stranded around the globe because of COVID-19 related restrictions. The initial phases of the program were focused on West Asian countries only. Now Vande Bharat mission will start phase 4 from July 3rd, 2020. Our next question is, which organization has developed a sanitizing chamber named GermiClean to disinfect uniforms of security forces? So answer is DRDO, which is Defense Research and Development Organization. The sanitizing chamber has been set up at Parliament Street Police Station in New Delhi. Our next question is, who has been appointed in India as the brand ambassador of Arogya Setu app? So answer is Indian actor Ajay Devgan. Our next question is, which organization has introduced Captain Arjun to screen passengers for COVID-19 symptoms? So answer is Indian Railways. Captain Arjun is a robot which conducts the thermal test on railway passengers. Our next question is, which country has recently developed the I Feel You bracelet for social distancing? So answer is Italy. A Genoa-based Italian Institute of Technology has developed I Feel You bracelet for social distancing. This bracelet uses a radio signal only when another bracelet is approaching. This just reminds us when are we not observing social distancing rules. Our next question is, which state has launched Ghar Ghar Nigarani mobile application to undertake house-to-house surveillance to eliminate COVID-19? So answer is Punjab. Our next question is, what are VTM kits? So VTM kits are viral transport media kits. The VTM kits are used to collect nasal and oral swab specimens from an individual source to a laboratory safely for culture and testing. During this period, the virus in the sample specimen will remain intact until the testing procedure is completed. Our next question is, what is the genetic material of coronavirus? So the answer is, the genetic material of coronavirus is RNA. Now coronaviruses are large, enveloped and positive stranded RNA viruses. They have the largest genome of all the RNA viruses. Our next question is, what is RT-PCR kit? So answer is, RT-PCR kit is reverse transcription polymerase chain reaction kit. Our next question is, what is the function of RT-PCR kit? So RT-PCR is a laboratory technique where reverse transcription of RNA into DNA is done. A sample is collected from a person's nose or throat and the genetic material is extracted. The virus RNA is reverse transcribed into virus DNA. Then short fragments of lab DNA are added, which are complementary to a virus DNA. If the virus is present in the swab sample, these fragments will attach themselves to the target section of the viral DNA. Thus, we can find out if there is a virus in the sample. Our next question is, what is a PPE kit? So answer is personal protective equipment kits. Components of PPE are goggles, face shield, mask, gloves, coveralls, gowns with or without aprons, head cover and shoe cover. Our next question is, which Indian organization has developed the Navrakshak PPE kit? So answer is, Navrakshak PPE kits are developed by Indian Navy and are cleared by DRDO testing agency. The prototype development took place at the Naval Dockyard in Mumbai, and it was tested and certified at the Institute of Nuclear Medicine and Allied Sciences, that is INMAS, and Defense Research and Development Organization, that is DRDO. Our next question is, who designed the Navrakshak PPE kit? So answer is, Navrakshak PPE kits are designed by Indian Navy's Lieutenant Commander Dr. Arnab Ghosh from Institute of Naval Medicine in Mumbai. He has developed a PPE kit addressing the comfort and breathability factor. The special suit incorporates superior quality breathable fabric, and its design innovation is said to eliminate the need for costly tape and sealing of the seam. Our next question is, which countries have declared themselves as COVID virus free? So answer is, 9 countries have declared themselves to be free from the coronavirus. They are New Zealand, Tanzania, Vatican, Fiji, Montenegro, Seychelles, Saint Kitts and Nevis in West Indies, Timor-Leste and Papua New Guinea. Our next question is, Thailand announced that it has proceeded to test its novel coronavirus vaccine on which animal or bird? So answer is monkey. The vaccine uses mRNA or messenger RNA technology to weaken the strain of the virus and produce antigens to fight the virus. Our next question is, the word quarantine comes from? So the answer is the number 40. It began during the 14th century during the plague epidemic. In an effort to protect the coastal cities, the ships which arrived in Venice from the infected ports were required to sit at the sea for 40 days before landing. This practice, called quarantine, was derived from the Italian word quaranta giorni, which means 40 days. Our next question is, the disease that can be transmitted to humans from animals is called? Answer is zoonotic disease. Our next question is, from where did coronavirus got its name? So answer is, from the crown-like projections on the surface of the virus. Next question is, which country has the highest number of coronavirus patients? So answer is the US. The US has replaced China as the country with the highest coronavirus cases of around 27 lakh, that is 2.7 million reported cases till June 2020.